About 4 to 5,000 people surrounded this entire area, and this is what it has led to. Take a look at these pictures. This fridge that is used to store medicines has been completely broken. This is the storeroom really of the emergency center of the hospital that you see in these pictures. Take a look at this place where the patients are in fact kept. Once they are brought to the emergency center, there are patients who are in fact brought right here. Pictures are coming in from the RG Kar Medical Center that has now been completely vandalized, as you can take a look in these pictures. These are beds for the patients when they are brought to the hospital. Now, not just the emergency center. If you go right inside where we will take you at this point in time, I'm just going to ask Sanjay to come along with me. You'll take a look at these pictures, speaking volumes of how all hell really broke loose right here at this center. The big question is, did the police not have the information about this mob that had gathered? 4 to 5,000 people is what many doctors have told us who were protesting, that there were many people. What about the intelligence then? How was that missing? How was this allowed is the big question here. Attempt is to hijack the protest is what many of the doctors and the junior residents here, the interns who've also worked with the victim, many of them have told us the attempt was to create a situation to give a bad name to our protest, to our genuine demands that there has to be justice for the victim. This is what the doctors essentially are telling us. With video journalist Sanjay Singha Murdani in Kolkata for India Today TV. This is the emergency ward of the RG Kar Hospital where we are coming to you from right now. And like you can see, tear gas also was in fact used by the authorities, by the administration just a few moments ago. Pictures of complete vandalism where the mob essentially has run completely amok here, as you can see in these pictures right now. Look at these pictures of the emergency ward where we are right now, and it's completely vandalized. The situation, at least for the time being, is under control, but there was a mob that came here with the intention, the doctors here are saying, the protesting doctors are saying, to hijack this particular protest and to in fact give a bad name to this particular protest is what the doctors essentially are indicating. These are pictures of the police staff room here of the hospital. A mob essentially came in, and what it appears is that the attempt was to clearly vandalize and hijack these protests right here at the RG Kar emergency center right now where we are. With video journalist Sanjay in Kolkata, Sneha Murdani for India Today TV.
India Today is on the ground, bringing you all the details right from the epicenter. We have a band of our reporters bringing you all the angles. But here are some of the reactions who've responded to this mob attack. Let's listen in.
एक ऑल फीमेल मार्च प्लान था. यहाँ से एक पीसफुली सारे फीमेल डॉक्टर्स जाने वाले थे शाम बाजार तक, और बाहर एकदम से बहुत सारा मॉब इकट्ठा हो गया और पुलिस उनको रोक नहीं पाई और वो पूरा मॉब अंदर घुस गया. हम लोग अपनी जान बचा के भागे हैं. उन लोगों ने किसी को देखा नहीं. जो जो भी वीडियोस आ रहे हैं या जो जो भी बातें सुनने में आ रही है, जो उनके सामने आ रहा था उनको मार रहे थे. हम पेशेंट पार्टी सबको उन्होंने मारना स्टार्ट कर दिया. डॉक्टर्स को भी बहुत ज्यादा चोट लगी है. कोई इधर, सब लोग अलग अलग जगह छुपे हुए हैं. जैसे आप देख ही रहे, हम लोग भी एक जगह पे छुपे हुए हैं. और जितने भी गर्ल्स थी, जितनी फीमेल डॉक्टर्स थी, उन पे भी उन्होंने जितने भी वो लोग थे अटैक किया है. सब लोग अपनी अलग अलग जगह छुपे हुए हैं. हम लोग उनसे कुछ कांटेक्ट भी अभी उतने अच्छे से बना नहीं पा रहे हैं.
लगभग 11 बजे के करीब में ये लोग सभी आए. पहले शांति से वी वांट जस्टिस करते थे. एकाएक इन्होंने क्या किया, जो भी पुलिस बैरिकेड था इसको तोड़ा. तोड़ने के बाद हम लोग बहुत लोग एक साथ एंट्री किए थे. हम लोग सभी दौड़ने के बाद जो गेट था, ये ईआर गेट को हम लोग लगा रहे थे. उस बीच में ही ये मॉब पूरा आ गई और आप देख रहे हैं ईआर का जो वो गेट है, इमरजेंसी का आयरन गेट, वो आयरन गेट को तोड़ दिया गया. उसके बाद ये लोग दूसरे गेट में इंटर किए हैं, वो गेट को भी तोड़े हैं.